Why did you choose the field of reproductive medicine?
Reproductive medicine is such a fascinating field. The science of it is inherently so interesting, and to pair that with the ability to help people, to apply that science to helping people was something that grabbed me initially, and I just went with it, and I'm really glad I did.
What do you love most about your job?
I love that this field of reproductive medicine is always changing. It's always improving, and what that means is it's a better experience as time goes on for patients, and of course better outcomes too. And it's nice to be part of that trajectory.
How do you ensure you have a positive and successful doctor-patient relationship?
I think it's really important to have a dialogue to understand where a patient's coming from, what issues they bring to the table, and keep that dialogue running and open so that together you come up with not only a good selection of options, but also ultimately a good treatment plan, which will hopefully very soon lead to success.
What would patients who have worked with you in the past say is your best attribute?
Patients have often told me that I'm very smart but accessible. They feel very comfortable speaking with me, almost as if they say like it's a girlfriend. And that means a lot to me because that's what I want to be able to do. I want us to be able to have an open conversation so that not only it's a positive experience, but a very successful communication too.
Describe a moment as a doctor that you're especially proud of.
There are these moments when you have the fortune to see your patient in their element out in the world, and just by chance you bump into each other, and they'll come up and say, "Dr. Zimon, look, this is so-and-so," and it's a wonderful to be brought into that world, and even more so, it's just wonderful to see how happy they are, to see their family building dream realized.
Outside of work, what's one of your passions or interests?
I really love engaging with nature if I can and when I can. It's great to have that opportunity to see a sunrise or to see a harvest moon or just listen to the birds, go on a hike. I think nature brings us together and connects us and grounds us and just reminds us every day of the wonder of the world.